we see the Bremo. On the 9th of March 2022. Na Osha Brenna Sima and Nayabo Pardon Koho. Send your name at Transition. It's a good year. Summer, Echegua, we are here for 9. Yes, we are Transition. Fancy to me at home. Come over here. It's in your brain. I fancy no only ending. Come on. I fancy and fan some embryo. I send your name no and you better call. I fancy no man and some year the bar. Na enu ada UEFA Champions League 2 matches so I say Yasim Kuma Bayern Munich once again show superiority in the European League aye bonimu and I said the UEFA Champions League mo a convincing victory over RB Salzburg. Sounds na Liverpool nanka supporters do na shenim sanka ne ometuma din kunim na so Liverpool entimi ending kunim o Anfield. But Ninyan can find Liverpool no dead to me qualification to the quarter final stage. The version here the home come on. And then so games in me no better job. A big games and na to job 8 p.m. It's a Real Madrid Bepo. You be gonna face here to me in some bar. You buy baby din come off ya ha. Then name we Editorial Kakra the mamo. Editorial Kakra Baba. Na an editorial no made kwa kopie mu NSA, the National Sports Authority, and I feel the Ghana Football Association. We are the Cape Coast Sports Stadium. The Cape Coast Sports Stadium. I want to make the editorial and be fair bar. 1970 Dosso. Executive producer Yura Kofi Anton Bafo. Head of sports producer extraordinaire. In 70 years, our Bob no kama the good crowd also the amame. Nana Kofi Okori Ajaman. We heavy papa. Alongside the writer commentator Krobia Sante, Japoy, Kwame Sedega, senior on duty, Papa the Fresh. Samsung DJ Zigibi, Ebama Mneno Facebook and swear to my chagu. Teneo joining live on Facebook at Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Samsung at YouTube and see Okoman Radio 97.1. Twitter, Instagram, Ninja at Okoman 971. Internet follow your home. After so share Media live. I mean, I Kwame Amponsah Addi. Wait to my friend me AK. I just say to be beer to my so come. And to the sunny a chedi ampon Kwame Yankupon. Or done a man and then way if you're honey am and moon no. Because the Legacy Club. It's when the clean up exercise can say so. And then almost say Chrome they are supporting you nearby. Yes, it's time you want to Yenina. And the Legacy Club are more sign bro alongside Shed Depot. Amasamo that will do more boy Juma come. But inter-schools competition ekoso. Inter-schools competition ekoso. Where football and access sports activity ekoso Kwapman. Okwas aho ana no competition ekoso. Now we share basic schools. Say no ma come one bo mo the sporting activities asese so a. Say nika papa. Ebe kona akofa reports ba kumienu so dey fi Okwapman school mu. Afin so young send enter school sports competition ekofa. Entino sani idea yebeko na man nsem tew yanso ye de aba na afi so no yetimi abedin enkomo ewa ha me ka so adwenkyere betimi de apa 0551 66 77 55 0551 66 77 55 and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 na odo adwenkyere ba eno UEFA Champions League games so na big games no enso ebetumi atoa so sanso na kopie wo Cape Coast Sports Stadium a pitch ayesi aba be World Cup qualify wo so no enye nika entino mifiamana ne ba editorial ne beba na afin so no oso watumi de adwenkyere ede aba ede afa eye nsema me de atodwa no enyina ontino yanko na afin so amana ne nsem tew yemfamra
Chicharito, Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy. ¡Golazo! ¿Qué me importa que me asesinen la garganta mientras se maten a goles? ¡Golazo! ¡Aso!
Mira Caleri para el gol. Palacio se la da y Caleri se va. Se va para el gol o Tevez. Calerio Tevez. Tevez no. Caleri. Cántalo.
Right into the yankwana face no amana nsem tew no yentumi emfantuja emfamade yekwere na sene nana Kofi Okoraji man ansam no anso bobo no kama ene so no yede pantene yanko amana nsem ne yentumi fantuja enso na famade be sase enso na tumi ere free the UEFA Champions League onu se drada matches dodo na so na tumi ekoso a na se enya sem kuma ukopie ma matches to dwa na sa no den papa by minute no china kona na se ne no enye fidi akro wa bre ne no so no oni bobo kwa ni din so ne RB Salzburg enso e de boy ne na se ne results to dwa no na sa no den e de ma Salzburg team no ene by minute koma media agro o she buy bo no mo bo ne ye bo e just 21 minutes ne Abrante ni din enso de Robert Lewandowski e bo hat-trick e o sa game no ma na sa no den ne Bayern after 90 minutes no enso no etumeche bobo kwa ni din e de RB Leipzig enso no anase ne RB Salzburg e bo ne ka no mako enso e ma ne timu ba ko 7-1 ana sa match no enso etumi ko wie ya enya senkuma Abrante ni Robert Lewandowski e bogo so ne miensa hat-trick sanso na Abrante Serge Gnabry enso ne tumi join in team na bogo ne bako e de momo Abrante ni Thomas Muller e bogo so ne mienu enso de ma Bayern team no ana afenso no Abrante ni din enso de Leroy Sané enso de bako episo enso de ma Bayern team na ene nkunumdie enso tumi ko enso de ma Bayern bobo kona enya senkuma na ko piemo Anfield dia bobo kwani din enso de Liverpool you will never walk alone team no enso tumi tina fi we na shocking results na man for sending Sir Jordan Klopp obiba Jenkins no ebetuma je enkonya na first victory atuma ko edema Liverpool ne sansa man from kratasem man for ko efficacy mtino no mo shesa nkankunibdie ebetuma ko edema Liverpool team na anso apa bobo kwani din enso de International Milan Inter Milan team no enso tumi bet Liverpool epone kabako a ono so no went me anti Abrante ni din enso de Lautaro Martinez Argentine international and ne opo the only goal no enso tumi de mam Inter Milan da nkunimdi enso no eko edemom na enso no nyina nkosi aga ene Liverpool enso tumi qualify enso de kona nima eno so no de eko ene ne epo UEFA Champions League nima yenso yetumi de atodwa enso no edema yetefo ne yentwa matches a eno so betodwa ewo UEFA Champions League na afenso no yemfantodwa enso na mfama yetefo na kopiemu enso no ewo eje Etihad Stadium dia na say Manchester City the Citizens the Sky Blues no etna fie 8 p.m. no so atuma nsa e dia fresh Sporting CP when Sporting Lisbon tata say na afenso no almost any omo e dia boy ni referee ni din enso no e dia Halil Umut Ayamela from Turkey. Also na kwa sa game no na fenso no niama so akoso kama na seno so say in the first leg no Manchester City ekoche Sporting Lisbon Portugal upon a cano makuma enuma Sporting Lisbon so entumante into we no just a walkover at Man City almost kwa ye ewo iti Pep Guardiola and then Mrante na hye nim se ne emphatic victory no be call and so the Man City team no na ko piem so na Stadio Santiago Bernabéu dia na just a Real Madrid team no and so better na 8 p.m. no so no and the Bobo Kwani and the Paris Saint-Germain team no and so to me the point ni se no so say referee ni and so the Danny Makalele and so be drama from Holland na fe so no wa boa ma ne game no so etimi akoso 8 p.m. na some match no eto Juante Madrid fans no mo say so Papa Jango team Madrid no first leg na niama sada nkoye mo kwa we ekodi ncho kapa ko intenemo na home na fe so no mo ne Paris Saint-Germain team na tumi dia boy ni Madrid e hye nim se ne no victory by 2 goals betuma pa na fe so metuma qualify and so dia come nim na mo say so say ne away go rule no ye yi dia film tie ne away go rule no ye yi dia film and so hunting Madrid ni amohwehwa ne say ne no mo betuma say 1-0 na po game no etuma ko extra time mo say 2-0 so na mo tuma qualify Adi come him interne nsema ebo ba enso na fi Real Madrid team no ma ba yenso ne de atudwa enso na de ama yetiefo ne yenkotwe goal kintat na anoso na todwa e the Champions League no na fenso no yemfa firi ho ne yenkopiem onsefufu na goal kintat no tie ne say na tie Abrante Otina Kanma Bayern Abrante Robert Lewandowski the Polish international we a white Polish tie ne watia ball na 12 goals so no e Champions League no out of a year 8 matches have no Abrante Robert Lewandowski no whatever say 12 goals so this season our UEFA Champions League no Samson Abrante of Ivory Coast upon the ball and so the man Ajax Amsterdam no Abrante and the answer Sebastian Haller on also to boy 11 goals so our UEFA Champions League no this season niama so akoso Edema Abrante na Mohamed Salah Gali a player upon the ball Edema Liverpool on also to say 8 goals so our Champions League ma yede ma etefo na afenso no Christopher Nkunku obo edema RB Leipzig ono no etima po 7 goals this season UEFA Champions League no and also ne sama eba yede tujwa ede ma etefo na head of a games etojwa no ukopie mo Real Madrid team ma coach and the Carlo Ancelotti ono so etima be kasa dia for match no ho o chim say game we no a special game south here o chim say a special game at Real Madrid intene anya dia ne no ombo abetutu game na say o hye ni say ne mrantie no so no ebetumi put up a great performance enie sa na one name no we describe ne mrantie ne say ne no omo put up a great performance na anwumre e Santiago Bernabéu say na be ya inkonibde so betumi akọ Edema Madrid team no intene manager Edema Real Madrid ori ani des yewura ni de Carlo Ancelotti and any other summer tujwa or sales potential Madrid players no the likes of Madrid mo Abrante Toni Kroos mo Karim Mustafa Benzema Vinicius Junior mo ebe so nim se no metu put up a great performance and so Edema Madrid team no na probable lineup no so no ebe tuma todwa Edema Madrid our against PSG game no ni Ancelotti training so betuma kwa 4-3-3 formation goalkeeper ni dey teba ko to abeda post mo Samson na Dani Carvajal Ramos say ball right back Abrante ni dim and so no ade Mendy Mendy and so betuma jan left back na fe so no David Alaba Abrante ni Eda Militao ana pe our central defense wo oba midfielders na ene 3 midfielders na ori ni dey ade Carlo Ancelotti and so betuma ball ahead of PSG game no Abrante ni dey and so ade Casemiro be jina finfin Samson na Luka Modric na fe so no cruise control Abrante ni dey Toni Kroos so no e join midfield no na so no etima emiansa na up front ni Abrante ni dey Marco Asensio Ledesma ebetuma jina nim ho Samson Abrante ni dey and so Karim Mustafa Benzema and Abrante ni dey ade Vinicius Junior ono so na be jina eye ni sabenkum so na fe so no niama tuma koso and so na diama Pobo Kwande and so na Real Madrid and na nsama ene no Carlo Ancelotti ni padodo na so ehwe nim say and so betuma koso ahead of the game and on Paris Saint-Germain and so upon akopemo and so Paris Saint-Germain akatia onu say ne no ensam na pa yehwe squad ne no Paris Saint-Germain so no ere kwa kopemo ene oman eme eye 23 man squad omo so no ade akoko piemo Madrid kro de anima eno so no anya senkuma intene no crop ya sante hwe se no so betu de squad no etumi de ato enso ne de ma etefo na kopiemo Paris Saint-Germain akatia goalkeeper ne enso ne Edouard Courtois na se ne Teba Courtois ono so betu da post mo e de ma Madrid na ne na kire wonom no o so Abrante Kehe bejina wo Samson Abrante personal Kimpembe Abrante ne de Marquinhos staff so no Abrante Joan Bernat so betu gina left back e de ma Paris team no oban finfin wa Abrante and the Danilo, Samson Abrante, Idris Ganage, and likely Abrante so betuma start Abrante Leandro Paredes and so a betuma Jan Fifi, and a Paris Saint-Germain team no, and I feel up front in 10 years, and then Pierre so many apre, and ya John Babe defend into the up front no, Abrante and Day, and so no at the Killian and Mapelotin, Samson and Neymar dos Santos da Silva Jr., and so a German offense no, Abrante Lionel Andra Messi Cochatene, and so betuma Jamo. Finfi and as up front and so no Ediama Paris Saint-Germain team no and the coach Mauricio Pochettino menkoya brego and then Abrante and the other Messi no but the free roll na Abrante no so into ball and then some Paris Saint-Germain supporters no and so can Edia chere Pochettino na Pochettino so abekasa tie krabia for Pochettino to so na man for mu ura na make na 7 we no head coach Edema Paris Saint-Germain or then some Edia tuja o chere mo se sagam way ono no okwako wini Madrid Pochettino say okwako wini sagam way na for so Paris Saint-Germain enso tumi akasa anaso no tumi qualify enso tumi dia come anim na Neymar so akasa o chem so no oye fit nkwa dia by Paris for Monda muni how ono Neymar dia oye fit muni no betuma ye obetuma pogo so ne dia mamu wambo go so na assist no so betuma provide edama Paris Saint-Germain team no intene Neymar da Silva dos Santos Jr. Chem so no fit dia Paris no Monda monka makoma ntomu yam and obabe yenkonya Madrid ko dia mu obabe gene din na fe so no wasia for play na da kopiem Paris ntino and Madrid and as Madrid fans no munyina yo ne Neymar oba not say akwese Patrick Razak ne hat of fog ne koroko no oni Neymar de ono obabe yenkonya de ma aye Paris Saint-Germain team no na Abrante Mbappe amne no and say Joffrey Bisa Pochettino say Mbappe nankasa no obetuma pokeme ni be and any Pochettino chirem say oya part of the squad and media party ultimate man ka memfa ne ma intene no Pochettino no to yampia to say Abrante Kylian Mbappe no ono onya fit and comfa ne ma intene Abrante ono de na banko de chire say Abrante Mbappe so no obetuma start edema Paris Saint-Germain team na put us one start here omo equally good players and so bench which Abrante ne dey Angel Di Maria and so ono so betuma replace Abrante Mbappe intene enye problem kra emfa ma Paris Saint-Germain team no intene mrante ne nyina ye fita omo ba be gina ma Madrid na fe so ma bo game no enso etumi de ma Paris Saint-Germain team no eno so ne sama eba yadi to jana meri nsem ni se no ukopiemu enso no Chelsea akacha onu se ne Chelsea da for sale intino eskafo na mo kroma no muteni ye ene ye ton Chelsea na owura ne de chairman wuntumi ono Asante regional chairman and the new patriotic party MPP and any Ebisa chairman say chairman as Chelsea no and Abramovich echirima Russia and Ukraine to kwano and or don't Chelsea chairman want to me to better Chelsea munya botre chairman want to me or say ni oba better Chelsea itene ni sika na ekrado 3 billion pounds no chairman want to me chirima Chelsea for no enya agro and ekwajo success tie chairman want to me yes regional chairman Asante regional chairman and my MPP also about to Chelsea the Chelsea for mama ninje krabia mo ninje na ne want to me the sika ba be wuramu Chelsea international sama eba amana nsam my fancy na fin so no yembedi nkomo enso no fia ha edino enso na Kwame Amponsah Addi betima from AK say bibia kama chairman KB o say AK no ya money keke ntine o range from yesi matum from 18 to 36 mona AK no betima frɛ mo amu ya under 18 no bra Kwame yes now they atum na bibia kama ntino krobia Asante atena se the baby team komo enso ewa ha na krobia ene mani abre papa me wa Victoria kakra edema mabejafo na se metiefo ntino abeba Say bibia kama.
Okay, bibia fine. Obadia down ma. Yes.
What the chairman want to? I say mo team no ba beto.
Okay. Team no be to me ato. Nemo mu na kande. Enye say ote say 10 cedi na wo 10 cedi na wo abeto eno do nipa pi be to me aye. But enu echin. Ohun ni say enye Chelsea say Chelsea keke.
Na ayi na me papa bi ma hwe video bi na ma say say papa bi na e bizan say chairman want to me so beto Chelsea with 3 billion no. No abani so no ni how say chairman want to me beto na emum no. Yan tworo ayi 3 billion no in figures. Engu paper so won na keke na yama chairman want to me fa koma na entutum na you say 3 billion so chairman want to me yes ade ne dia obo say chairman want to me betu ato Chelsea o say anyo bi na enka say chairman want to me entro o say obi de yan tworo 3 billion in figures engu paper so o say zero so ne yedi adwuma na chairman want to me na fa koma Tutu zero sunum no nya 3 billion pounds
billion
to me the commerce ni tutu ma na nya 3 billion pounds na dey and
we a billion in we yo figures o enya weso
and figures nto dey come na tutu ma na nya billion
figures nso ebe hu
and so nti no kana
obi se jama ebia wantini brekum Chelsea yo ebia wantini
o da bi o tso no ano quote here
ebia na brekum Chelsea
na so no ano last season so koto Poba aba kotoko ale chairman want me na kai so say 50 million pounds or kwa koto Poba ba and any also beto Chelsea nti no again chairman want me also beto Chelsea 3 billion pounds
okay Poba ukoto Poba be 80 million now de ne ba ubetumi ato that 80 million pounds no ubetumi ato ba we de na ba no hu say every week 7 days bia no
so Chelsea
290,000 pounds
obakofa Ronaldo ni Messi aba be ka Chelsea team no apamu Lukaku obapamu Lukaku no de Messi ane Ronaldo aba aside say wato team ni 3 billion no o san koto Messi ni Ronaldo aba na wato Vinicius Junior
Ghana ha obi ani sesika ni bi David da obi wonga esikafu ekuku dam top 10 na wo Ghana ha no kan won sika bom kra be den say wo be reach 3 billion mark
that won't to me glass
what they are she one way net worth no million eno kra ye Ghana cedis kra ne oh Jackie
Krabia my enjoy me home na editorial no sima be me sape me fan editorial no kwase ni abre ye kopo World Cup qualifier against Nigeria 25th match ana yebo
na sit match no hu dia wo mo ye
zigi de bato so na mo Facebook for no mahu the current state Cape Coast Sports Stadium na ye ye de kwa kobo Nigeria game Cape Coast Sports Stadium ye kwa kobo World Cup qualifier no Ubongu send your pitch 19 no editorial no eba.
This is our own, let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own, let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again.
And you know, an editorial no we no men sada nche on. Na mamenko NS Akache, the National Sports Authority. President and chairman Edema NSA Eura Dr. Peter Chumasi ono ye president Edema the National Sports Authority kuruma de position mi ana ye president obi aso a president na ye ja chairman obi aso a president and you know president Edema National Sports Authority Eura Peter Chumasi awie ma minchia o mi bisa se ye match wie ye no after 9 February on the 6th of March ye match wie no one Cape Coast Sports Stadium no Oh yeah, Yera Peter Chumesi joining live on Facebook. Now share the current state of a Cape Coast Sports Stadium. When you say Kwakobo Nigeria game no hon me boa. Na zigi for bakuna ayi aso tutu na say ayi a bon Google so no a bon Google picture no so picture ya bobo so na bon pa meaning say nkusie na kwakochi omo ho dia. Ghana Football Association Kato Kraku you per se qualify. Yes, we want to qualify. But ye kwa kobobo e was a pitch we so dia nya dia be fa o. No kre. But me mlemu bebre blame no be ma NSC. Cause am no me pitch na ma han. NSC no. Na no da fear da me do a class sports no ma trouble. If you want to rent the stadium call, na just am da ball, na ma ball. O be say rent stadium na free, na beji. we amaya e wo mo Cape Coast Sports Stadium ana hu no Facebook for on monche entokure gumu ye ko ma che amanfo shoe omde tutu pitch no enso ye game 25th afi na mu say pitch e da kobo game ye be the quality of the pitch near the boss game no Nigeria for no near grow. I'm not say me hype Nigeria and I say me ma dey na ehu. By Nigeria in terms of preparation they are ahead of Ghana. Yeah, ye bo home no. Your pitch cry ye ready yet. Your pitch I bo no so no. Ye ready yet. Enra ansa na omode green grass for you ko na omukwa ko say pitch no. Ye game 25th. Until na ben na grass ya see grass here tutu ye ba bedua na ya water na anyi na green apa na aboso ball game no so 25th next 2 weeks Friday and ye boss game no enti say yet your memo na ye the stadium high ye say nya baabi amachi o say Cape Coast Sports Stadium Nempo na anka ye match wo hon NSA no anka mon sha o mo say ye mfa de mpo enkata pitch no so grass no ye mfa de enkata so o say ye bo tournament bia na ye open ceremony a o mo say ye de ade kakraka say rubber say kape kakraka na ye da kata pitch no so say na be ya pitch na ye de entutu intanka ene mo ko match mo mfa de ensa pitch so nanka mo match wo so ye na mo matena wa ye hwe ha na o mo tutu pitch and in Nation Cape Coast Sports Stadium aye and yes in Nigeria ba game also but you see the entire car approve Accra Sports Stadium but you see digi be say a pon no ne bon wom kusie dia no fato so na NSN in there I think some the sikana na pom ji sika di ya ne aka bia de inform ho the state of Cape Coast Sports Stadium and AJ and ayi where the fork on hand fork and any two pages so yeah but if any about do your grass page and also ansana ya ball game against Nigeria my way there just see you know I'm facing Okay. Obi ava say ada na make Cape Coast na make the media no. Ada media na yaka ba Cape Coast no. Ase ni kwa kobo World Cup o. Ada media na minyayo. Minyaye #fix Ademi Park no minyaye. Every time you beba. Krobia.
Yeah. Ege.
Mr. Ma kwa ba biem.
Bibia e boko 2.1. Yes, Michiano, meten and catch it.
2.1.
Meten and catch it. Say me hunu, crack. Say me hun, mini papa meten and catch it. Yes, meten and catch it. Inti baby obi a yenchiano. Na yenchia iti phone you know once.
Mami ka iti phone so make me join live on Facebook.
Sure.
Facebook no Okoman Radio 97.1. Okoman Radio 97.1. Oh Facebook, YouTube so no Okoman Radio 97.1. I know do Facebook and I saw like page you know na wa share na fufu nya bia share na fin so no the comment you know e dey about na okay Asante Bekwe Breezy 2 point or the about or say I see you talking about somebody's stadium Ademi Park is there what is happening Ademi Park you know you go so edun nkoma you know nyawotre Sasunema Junior or the about or say Nima mate. Divine at the back or say one done match lab on so the need about Kelvin or Kwame Amponsah or say the feeling BG more fire and so no and for mama Prince Kwachi the about or say watching you guys more fire and so no and for mama club amateur UEFA Champions League Enra Bayern almost said that demolish RB Salzburg pa Abrante Lewandowski after 23 minutes or about hat-trick and I'm a Bayern team. You try another game so no near me share no.
Yeah, heke once again yenchia ETF nyina ene yahwefo a womo ehwe ewo YouTube sanso ana Facebook no yenchia obibia ewie I think say bibia ye kama papa endra games no a to me so far yenya 2 teams for the first time on woman to me a bookie one ticket ekako PMU were the last 8 the quarterfinals of the UEFA Champions League, and I think say 6 way teams are canons on you bet to me in your account numeri you bet to me in 2 possibly Manchester City they are on the way our more edu because 5 goals there I think say one more ko anymore and Paris Saint-Germain, Real Madrid, and so a boy and but Andra the second leg up to me a bar so Bayern Munich to me yeah demolition exercise no e course ye papa one more Allianz Arena one more making sure say the environment e be looky very good extremely well and then they Munich to me one more demolish Salzburg for no ye exercise ni ko ye pa dem 7 goals to 1 I think say one more a ball more Robert Lewandowski once again was on target a hat-trick that particular game ni montino so I think say you can say Bayern Munich there and drag game there is no way I in the Salzburg give it to me a baby Allianz Arena one more BB ya and in the Red Bull Arena Austrano and I will move to me in a and it was a tough game for Bayern Munich in that first leg to me of course a late equalizer one more that draw no Edibera and drag game anymore and then draw Allianz Arena the pedigree of any Bayern Munich players available one more any the coach in dugout in I think say one more make sure say Salzburg and ye team and they were more aqua akunya draw obi to me abe make any surprise the arena and to one more make sure say everything will work perfectly for them and of course at the end of the 90 minutes one more to me the needed win any qualification and one more so draw one more to me a bookie one more take it akokan the last 18 I think say for 20th season consecutively one more to me akwa copy more the last 8 into I think say yambo one more abasu yepa okay now the action ankasa no Anfield England and another game ankasa so where asa na Liverpool in the first leg encounter omako bremu Giuseppe Meazza San Siro to me akoshe the leading champions and as a defending champions of the Italian Scudetto no Inter Milan by 2-0 and also a late goals womu enyano from the 70th minutes to the 90th minute womunya that emphatic victory womu dibe PMU Anfield and the second leg and dry betena ha e discuss kakra if you say Inter Milan this time round every year game our boy in their home soil you will see a different Inter Milan and Andra one particular aspect no correct was Inter Milan on the day will be on the score sheet when we benya a go Anfield and Andra go to me by I said earlier and to go to me by Edema by Liverpool I think say Andra one more sang Emma 3 seasons back okay draw be a one more ekonyan Wanda Metropolitano yes womo di be bremu Anfield womo be lose by 3-2 Atletico Madrid and Sano I think say Andra they nearly say anka womo betumi asan repeat sad na womo free in the UEFA Champions League nimu and it was unfortunate for them per year Andra say womo into me enya that needed win and I even cry a draw Krana it would do say at least wait to me the 2 goals in the into na hanede what they prepare kwan but kwanga Liverpool a lucy game no endran bibia enchre say endran no if sanka Inter Milan e keep that one momentum no from the start of the game no every in the second half especially one more bad game very strong e create all the chances dominated the midfield Marcelo Brozovic and Arturo Erasmus Vidal ejuma womo a boy he can't no glue no midfield no womo a J midfield Cavani the likes of Thiago Alcantara Fabinho and Curtis Jones no said yeah womo dominate womo yepa but it was unfortunate and from their side they say Alexis Sanchez that foot up it to me resulting into a red card woman to me and to us after taking the lead and now more control of the game woman to me and to us enya the second goal and at least able to me a stretchy game the extra time possibly penalties no one way to me enya a certain hope be say one move to me a qualify. Liverpool on the other side and they weren't impressive at all. Though they had one or two chances, be one more hit post to know any bar several times in 3 occasions. One munina to me and she Mohamed Salah hit post twice, then Joao Matip so hit back. I think say Andra woodwork in so prevented Liverpool from scoring. But I think say after a 90 minutes game of football, to me and say due to woodwork in Argentina on the day Liverpool to me and that spirit yenim say Anfield on a Champions League night no mo be to me dia ma na yenwonya the needed win. I think say Andra womo disappointed a lot of fans, especially Liverpool fans no womo disappointed womo yepa any investors and so na womo to me invest kakra say at least outcome of the game no be to me reflect in their pockets. I think say one more let those people are down. But in all, we witnessed a very good game and Liverpool having the edge to qualify to the next stage. I think say they are one of the contenders this season. Oshe modern ball, one more ball. Any inclusions are one more to me or this January transfer. And I think say one more to me are fighting for something or this particular Champions League anymore. I think that modern bono to me equal but for Liverpool fans, I think that one more disappointed and dry year but a very good game. Congratulations to the first 2 teams that were to me are qualified to the last 8, Bayern Munich and Liverpool. So one to me about home I could do that stage so far.
And then a big game I to drop our Santiago Bernabeu.
Yeah.
Real Madrid. It's not on Paris Saint-Germain which first league net to Jana Paris Saint-Germain dominated game throughout the 90 minutes. Out to play Madrid team now in the form and Madrid ekra and son of game anymore. But I call say PSG dominated game out to play them. Kylian Mbappe 9 minutes up winning goal PSG and then Mbappe as a fitness from. But Coach Pochettino Chidema or a part of the squad. Or best start you and they are not up to I don't know coach, so be decided. Yanshe game Yanshe player by player. Now you make sure the technical brain behind a team Sonankasa Bono, the likes of Carlo Ancelotti and Pochettino. Yes, Obibeka say Ancelotti upon the Champions League history unto for Pochettino and compare baby but first leg was no. Yeah, Paris Saint-Germain and the Madrid game
Yeah, I think that we one particular game will be into me. Say this particular game, a game of stars, and I know ye kakoshe a classico, a avalanche of superstars. And I ne womokakushimu ewo Bernabeu and Bernabeu one particular venue. The whole world to me I witness superstars per year open superstars are to me about games Bernabeu one particular venues always be what these superstars are more a game. Okay, we share the experience from managers. I think say Uncle no there Uncle Bibeka say Ancelotti said the Audi can vast ahead of Mauricio Pochettino. But this a game a different ball game altogether. The material now before Ancelotti AUC a conquer Europe any Spain. I think say this a different material altogether. Then from the Pochettino side, a Juma no ball from Tottenham to me called the finals 2020 and I said 2019 finals on Liverpool. To me Ejifin in Semu. Then from there wako piemu Paris Saint-Germain also wakunya a lot of players are on any day one will be to me my resource even aside your coaching one more on any day be to me standing on their toes to me any manager the needed resource that coach ebenya in a game. So I think coaches need the experience wise, you know, Papa your friend Ancelotti will be a and we who big games be say Ancelotti we who nina ewo Bernabeu. I think this particular game, I think in terms of the coaching experience, BBBR ewo Ancelotti afa players no okay. What Paris Saint-Germain din na sometimes we fa one more result sheet na uhwemu a unse one more looky a bit surprising kakra because performance uhwe team sheet players squad available now share resource womunya I think say enya dia so bibie ni and ye nyina hu performances one more edanedi especially when a papa friend Pochettino ekoje ejuma no honomo and so far the only chances or war any so be winning the French league, you know, any Champions League any or woman. So I think say BBBN shada enkoye due to materials yede ama Pochettino no on enyesu ejuma ana nei oyi then players na wo mo Paris Saint-Germain no so no ejuma e wo se wo ankasa nso eye on a day yen shada ehu whenever wo mo field no so yen shada ehu that energy no from the players na ankasa nso was a woman de Paris Saint-Germain due to sika woman de to woman any weekly salaries a woman so edge no I think say we nyina ya there absent Paris Saint-Germain but occasion like this you know say their players ni nyina woman are ready say won win bibi Neymar ekoka ene Mbappe hu womutumi ebo won hu modern ekobo the semi-finals the following season womutumi kobo the finals Bayern Munich etumi edge trophy if you want him from there woman say no you hear a certain player we are seeing na ene ye ka say obi bia ni mbobo ensin no he seen it all Abranti friend Lionel Messi womo de na be count say obetumi aboa from semi-finals yakọ finals. Then the third occasion there was saying to me lift up the ultimate and to Oma Kofa and Messi and so it to me Edenabe Kawa I think say one more front three no one more to me I am very solid on any day it will be very difficult for any other center back to say one more to me keep hold of these trials one more lead the front line for Paris Saint-Germain but one more so more than bono yen share down win but this season in the Champions League, one more perform ye. Messi, for instance, you said then who the goal scoring over the French league, but in the Champions League, aside the last game, our money Real Madrid born, he's been able to score during the group stages games, you know. Now Oshego Sunodona and so Edema Paris Saint-Germain. So okay, I think say a ne game no ebe KG game. Madrid ebeko game nimu with full of attacking conscience. Womo kako nya. The one goal now a day cheated down one more kako near the equalizer. Then one more started everything fresh. And in the first game, no, Ube say they were not Madrid. One more and them pushy baby. But this time you be Madrid the first 15 minutes, you know, one will be making sure so we put more pressure on Paris Saint-Germain defense, you know. Now we to me the equalizer. Nefe one more asset to game down. Then one more ball, one normal game. But Madrid caught this particular game. With the absence of Casemiro, one particular player, one more midfield, and in terms of defensive shield, you know, Onwa and Obawam, this player is unavailable for the game tonight. Then Abranti Feno Felan Mendy, their left back in Europe, who top 3 left backs. I mean, say in terms of defensive duties, one more pa Felan Mendy, one particular player, and they obey to me, Edina Kamwo. These are players in a woman available. Tony Cruz eba game ni mu 60% fit. Enya do ye fully fit or the game no. And I even doubt to say Papa friend Ancelotti able to me starting in this particular game. So I think say BBBA enkoye enfama Madrid. Anka Madrid ewo Fela Mendy na one more Casemiro in this particular game. Anka Bernabeu I think say BBB to me akoso. Ediama woman can wait to me put up
Fedi Vervardi
wow
no bet me replace Casemiro
je ba eke hu say Vervardi and Papa friend Ancelotti yen share down hu Vervardi Vervardi rise from the 2020-21 season you know and obenya a long layoff injury okoye and obaye you know yen share down hu Vervardi Eduardo Camavinga and at this time who say onokrano between on Vervaadi no or a little bit ahead of Vervaadi in terms of ni game or ball any the energy or the game no but no so no Casemiro adi aiki or the mawo e wo game ni mu no I doubt say Vervaadi any Camavinga be to me a match
to me
very hard say
between Camavinga and Freddy no anka yembo Freddy Vervaadi ahead of Camavinga it's say Casemiro adwuma oye o Madrid no anodin in terms of say all bully players
no
anodin okura and even in terms of all stage forward at times ehu and the defensive duty I to me the man no as a defensive midfielder no and also no aya na anodin and nyina those qualities no Freddy Valverde ekura bi in terms of defending and I feel you mole opponent the ban physical game no ya wodin ye chira wodin ni ade na Freddy Valverde ekura bi more than Camavinga. The only thing Camavinga edibetwa Freddy in terms of offensive box to box or pushing forward and be Camavinga edibetwa Freddy.
Oh one very excellent player but I think say game way no either Vervaadi and I say Camavinga and everybody it was a one more A+ performance this time because your players be a one more to me call out I won't share down who but in a certain game one more to me left up one more performance be do a standard that will be able to me abom so Valverde this time obviously looks very obvious or no be to me started ahead of Camavinga and I'm looking forward for a Valverde na minim from 2019-2020 so be to me am A+ performance e won fin wo on the side of any Paris Saint-Germain I think say Messi eba ni favorite grounds and the grounds are to me she goes wo yepa and Parisians no eba no I think say they will rely more on Messi and Neymar. These are two players one more abo ewo Spain one more abo ewo Bernabeu one more nim the team Madrid into Bernabeu and the Real Madrid team no these are two players one more ebo ewo Barcelona one more share Real Madrid and one more enim no hoyepa Messi in the round of 16 our UEFA Champions League no other player need to me share goals as in not even Cristiano Ronaldo or the all-time top scorer scoring 26 goals our round of 16 games and all the favorite grounds and I think say ne ejuma no kese na ebe to me awon so then Neymar because in the first game Neymar na onye fully fit and you know it took Abrante friend Kylian Mbappe and Mbappe any variety and a year Jumano that day. One nim the soil of France no and unze one na France watch and it took Mbappe and a variety one more French players and ankasa and a womu to me on the day womu to me win the game in the Paris Saint-Germain and the womu be ube say Abrante friend Kylian Mbappe or also doubtful so even no be to me started maybe or also beba in the second half said ya womu ye Neymar in the first leg so right now they will also rely on Messi and Neymar say mo buy en ho no wo mo buy en ho no any variety any Mbappe mo ye beto mo be kan wo mo ho no na ye adwuma no until this time ye ba no mo so say mo ye den mutumi kire ye nkwan no aye betumi aye adwuma no and I'm confident say Neymar big games like this always be not type but this time round or 100% fit obey to me put up a performance and also be to me aboa defense they will look very very shamble Madrid one will be look here very big frailty didn't work it to perfection because now they will rely on Abrante friend and David Alaba say one will be pushing Edinaba left back wall.
Maybe or the Nacho
any Militao and ya dear better that clicky. Obe yusu Abrante on also fully fit or the right hand side in Cavaya and the Cavaya who dia in Mbappe to me at the yeno. Then the center pair
looking at the defensive setup say Cavajal and fully fit. Na and then I want to perform the speed the crowd performer. Why don't Abrante and as a coach and Ancelotti and more Abrante Vasquez? It's an say Vasquez of late him say why am more of a right wing back?
Yes.
Into the banner pace at OB and what you be skill even moving forward it is a Cavani fully fitter. I didn't say so rescue na order no kwabo na Mbappe na name and ko use no was our option and it to be to me I work into perfection.
I think that Ushe Juma na Carvajal in the first leg no na to about first 45 minutes but getting to the 60th minute now why very weak. Na Mbappe di netum kana ma why very weak. Then came in Abrante friend Lucas Vazquez and do buy no be say go no kra. Or buying the pace any the agility na Paris Saint-Germain push say at all costs I was say womunya the possible win on that particular night ejuma left side of Paris Saint-Germain womu use the right hand side of Real Madrid and then result into that particular goal and Shekwanya Vasquez defended that ball na Mbappe to me edit to atinemu. So I think say be to me aba say you best start Carvajal on any day your proper right back it won't be as will be your method and as a winger would never be ball right back. So the first choice obviously should be Abrante friend of Carvajal. Then the left back David Alaba. I think say it will be very hard for Real Madrid this time. If Anka Wamu or Casemiro any Fela Mendia, the story would have been different. But this time looking at Bibia said even changes are Wamu because these are players Abrante Obebo, David Alaba, or Bebono, any Camavinga or whoever Fevadi. These are subs to these first players and Bebono, Tony Cruz no more. If you are starting them, then we'll bench, Ebe Garibio, any Eden Hazard. These are players on any day you can't rely on them.
Obi Subekas as a PSG attack, Madrid attack and also Abrante Karim Benzema alongside Vinicius Junior
and probably Marco Asensio
and even Benzema and Vinicius this season open duo our Europe and Pogosa you can do away with Emranti Vinicius and Benzema it's almost quality up front. Yes. And to trouble the Paris Saint-Germain.
One more qualities, on any day won't be to me up show. But Real Madrid, who share the defense of Paris Saint-Germain, Marquinhos, and Kimpembe. That left back Mendes is very, very young. Or for attacker and Shedanye, but in defensive duty, solid. Abrante Freno Ashraf Hakimi defensively, or also in Shedanye good, but Okon anymore, also very, very efficient. I think the midfield of Paris Saint-Germain, c'est variety to me bapatinim and ne ewo benabawa. Okay, Madrid bet to me I consider 3 goals and 2 to 3 goals.
Prediction.
Madrid bet to me I consider goal.
Prediction.
Both team to score, but Madrid best in lose Yes, either 2-1 for Paris Saint-Germain. But and then Madrid will be on the score sheet because Abrante friend of Benzema in the first game, no fit, yeah. And all by crowd went to me about 90 minutes. This time we are fully fit. Partner Abrante friend of Vinicius Junior, Marco Asensio, they will definitely get a goal. The likes of Kimpembe, any Ashraf Hakimi, that area. One more be consider go from that aspect, and I said that particular area, that left and I said right hand side of Paris Saint-Germain, one more be consider go. But if say Danilo any variety back game nimu proper as said ya woman nyano France na, I think say it will be very, very, very hard for Real Madrid to say and game no crown boy to me win. And the best they could do, and they say one more to me about draw. But for a win there, I doubt. And Madrid, there's no way a game will move to me a win. So, both teams to score. Madrid will be on the score sheet today. One move to me in 90 minutes. Ewo Benabao, our Modin Shegu, and then the one move Shegu. But Paris Saint-Germain will also score. But Paris Saint-Germain will score more than a goal. And then on the bet to me, Paris Saint-Germain win the game by 2-1 at the end of the 90 minutes.
Okay, we say good afternoon, staff. Please, AK. If their children were to be checking the vibe, especially in England, would be much better. The one from Keita to Chaluba wasn't okay. Yeah. Yeah. Keita no mature no. To Chaluba wasn't a red card, but Alexis own yesterday deserved a red card, or just because Chaluba is playing Chelsea. Hypocrite and hypocrite in yeah. No, they account they mean to mean kind and fans or so. And also the where to me Eddie Abba and no 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755. and 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 akasima be mienu na yanso ya sorry dwumadie no so na ene no Okoman radio empanyifo ze memfanto wanim se ni se opese oba na oni Okoman radio ebedi kasobom na edi dwuma na afi nso no bibibia oton no amafo te onka eno nso no wetumi aba na oni Okoman radio empanyifo etumi atena se se mo ya sorry ene no yebeko Easter ene no Easter crusade Easter revival obaye ne ade na fabra ne mo dewro enso no enfama sanso na odi dwumadie bia wasore a ode ba ebebo dewro enso ede ama sanso na ne companies ankura mo sukufo ene no sukufo ebuye suku pesa amafo ton kasa mpa suku no ekoso a ode ba ebebo dewro enso ede ama eba na announcement a social announcement ene funu announcement ye odi share na sebe aka baabi na eyele braso obese omo wa chichiri etin kasa ampa ye ehihie no ne braso a oba ebon dewro so mawa amanfo adofo obeti na afin so maba abejamo restaurant bars pubs and afin so hotels na ade na mu keka onyina no momra na afin so no yemmo mudwumadie no ewo dewro enso no enfama bibibia oton say togbe akura na oton na ba so de ba yebon dewro a de ba ebebon dewro de ama na adam ya bibia oton obi nsi no ka che maame no no mra ebebon dewro enso etumi ede ama sanso na yubese wo dwumadie bi na pese de ba na afin so no benfo hwe na dwumadi a wahyehyei eto asum efe ede na yese edin dwuma ede mawa odi nyina ade ba benfo no betena se na enso no oman hyehyɛ etumi ede ama asofo anem no betemo preach ene ade nyia no mo ba benfo no betena na afin so hyehyɛ no akoso kama enso etumi ede ama mo adaroma obetima frɛ Okoman radio mpanyifo ewo 0266 200 222 number here de 0266 200 222 and 0265 200 222 0265 200 222 Frere Okoman radio mpanyifo na afin so no udwumadi a odin yembo de roma na hyehyɛ bia won so no yenya na kama enso no emfa emao abrana so but but my fraba 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 and 0551 6677 55 0551 6677 55 fraba be for na fin so na genche e for UEFA Champions League on and also know what to me area about na Sasu name at on Facebook or say Man U are on top na menim the ntia Sasu e Man U asembe mo ha Man U and then on share am fasa. Hello
yes sir.
Good afternoon but you baby Afrefi.
Afternoon boss. Where Akokra no we ka say free Accra.
Accra infa.
Accra me say see dem will go campus. I know I show my teacher one and okay.
Oh okay. We may nti unfen free Legon.
Me bon abaso my ade. My body ma kama and we ni pa no wa church ade no kama so you ya say ma de 8 minutes. Say
so no ya no agin kire wo de.
Be win. Ma do be win. You be check for the street 31. Na me bo kotokonzo abaso na all the way to Bichim. Well, now in 1 point, edit the league in the top, and the ball my basso power my idea. I ask for an unbelief.
Okay, as for that was say, and you know, I don't think you know. Then as a game, I only wafa 3 p.m. Has no wafa a Premier League outstanding game and Nelson Comobono last weekend, you know, and I'm one record Eko away Eko ball 0-0 against Bichim United. Hello. Good afternoon, but you didn't be Afrefi.
Opatako de bien abakote.
Professor Kazafi.
Yeah, me no e ka say. Me wo Obapa TV. Me enjoy the paper.
Ayo, yati, menti you.
Yo, me ka say kasati so ento ponko. Abrante no wakai se PSG ni die. Me mo me de Madrid. Ene kone yini na Madrid atikere eka pore yini ege egu PSG asene ma wontu yeden ya no aha eni tina merfa kone we sa ka kire ekuape me nyina se so ka bi papa akọ enjoy edidi a Then your papa cuisine.
Oh dear, unya waduane ya udi one invite obi o ba be ya oh. Yo, my friend say that say. So friend, unya waduane invite ya fe na ye ani ade. Me job papa cuisine. Hello.
Asa wan peke ko wi dia ka bi nya.
Oh, hey, unya brego. Udi ni ba bi akasa fi.
Ye name na kasa no.
Nema o kasa fi.
Be kasa free care school.
Assemble. And you know, PSG Madrid scoreline.
Oh, so one medium Chelsea fan, you know. PSG all the way.
Okay, PSG all the way. And also name idea. And also idea about Tuesday name PSG. A bit to me every name 0551667755. Now, young fans simply. Grabia, I had to focus no wafa. Young Trinity na young but my phobia. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon. But Odini baby Afrifi.
Good afternoon. Eki.
But Odini baby Afrifi.
Kasula.
Oh, champion Kasula. Hey, we are serious. Yes.
Oh, Eki. And you, MVP, and your police station says, what's that? And now many violations are all.
When you have a Trebefa, why? Mind you.
Yo, Eki, o share PSG and Madrid. Oh, Madrid, I said Madrid to be win the mind. A Champions League headmaster. What now, my school fee by hard, you said, yeah. And then two goals to nil. Madrid, I do win it too. Remember, if you so has of food, you did not know. You animal wafa. Oh, you were born ready. Yeah, be born ready to cry. I cry, and no one you cry any for. One you cry.
4.
Oh, now so one there for the and you want the back. Well, I check it from there 2 years. You want about 4-3-2, 4-3-2. Until there 4 left, and they were good until the Chiam goalkeeper. Richard, number 1. Say me come over to say Richard Atta. Ye mark into us say Richard Atta no ba be blaster goalkeeper number 1 need to be dem papa boy ni juma ba be do blaster no. So mo need to pull more waka. Eke. Oni nyame adwuma na yebehia.
Kasula, onso ni nyame ntena na ma ponche no mi remfi still man nsen ho mi amaba. Ba beje memfa ne mba. Mi amaba beje. Ode no ba nhwa akoti aka ogwa mi amaba fa. Why? Hello.
Yeah, hello. Ni abelma Kwame nim koponi Ofuru Junction.
Ofuru Junction yaboko.
Ni adomboko.
Mind you.
Me ma se mi nyina na mechanic enede PSG ne Real Madrid match in the Madrid be win.
Okay.
Be win. Na ade American I am ya near last week presidential cup near half spoke year kotoko no de. And then the one for Besha house make kabibia.
Also one for Besha house.
Oh, Besha house.
Okay.
When they were so simple cry because now way in kotoko mere me and the one for them one house.
Now asama okay ya o kotoko na went to na the wafa na kwa koma house.
No say to me they say they maybe better wafa ti ntin day.
Ya mo so ga ko pe o mbo ai Accra.
Oh, and they know and measure okra. You be win no. Me dey be house. I do through.
Oh, means Rosa na wona oka ntino.
Me wo Furu Junction do ba be hu mu. Aka dey akopro me na me kasa me say wo be house.
Yo, yeah that's it. Yeah that's it. Entino ye di dwuma die no besi na afins ne aka to aso nya pe chena ye betimi aba be to aso. Krobia what fan has game no. Na yenko.
Yeah, I think say House of Folk and a relegation threatening team Wafa and a ball. Wafa hasn't been impressive this season at all, and we share the corner or move to me call relegation if so minds so one year. House of Folk, on the other hand, we share the last 4 games in the Premiership. One more winning a single game. And one more Elusu 2-0 to Kinfesa. From Kinfesa, one more call R2U Tamale Equabor draw. From Tamale, one more Nekotoko Ebor draw Accra. From Accra, one more Echo Legon Cities. And one more Equabor 1-1 hunting. The last 4 games, has a 4 points out of 12 points. And I think that momentum and scoring against Kotoko alone in the President's Cup, I won when win. I think say no be to me ginger players, and the technical team na enough. Say this particular time, one be to me, I share wafa like team, and they one that need that smooth path and
Okay.
So that win against Kotoko, scoring 2 goals at the back of Kotoko's net, I think say Wafa team defensively, woman said that that good, woman all that good. Kunedu Yadom on any day or a very good sweeper, but I think say it will be very hard to be to me containing the attack in front of team my friend Hasselfolk. The method, the passing from Abrante friend Sulale Muntari, the passes, it will be very hard say one will be to me a containing and a team way to me the 2 goals a good Kotoko atinemu na oba from the last 4 games are own to me winning. I think say this is the perfect time. I want to me they are reviving one more winning route. No, now one more start year in the league. So I think say has to be to me a share Wafa by 3 goals to 0. On be to me a share, but me share no say Muntari be to me at least a goal. Yes, and then me share matches our bana. Me who say the Muntari be to me me who say the Muntari has be winning by 3 goals to 0.
Okay, and here club ya Sante. And I'm also motimi ate and Kano. You the Jumadi any see. I'm a person about to us executive producer. You're Kofi Anton bar for KAB. Heavy papa Samson and Neno head of sports producer extraordinaire. Bobo and 7 ano edugu krata so edema yen so etimi edeba Nana Kofi Okori man. And so no any this Jumadi no yandana papa DJ Zigibi I don't know about upon the idea that na face or yeti now no near the Ziggy and say boy Facebook and so no etimi chegwe YouTube near the nyina boy ama nyina echegu ya Samson Attorney Donzi DJ Vibes a boy writer commentator also boy Chidom alongside Eddie Papa Fresh Samson Kwame Sedega senior on duty amunyina boy Krobia Asante mutimi etenenka na amichia Nema Junior Minchiana papa nima hajinsa sasu hajinsa ana finso no foreigner bro onim sene aye no ntini ye bidi nkomo wa china kasola maka me sa ponchi na memfa ne mba me ama befa why wode ne ba otifi uzama hwa wayera okwanso ntimi ama befa nyemfa ni na finso minchia madam nyameche one the governor munya mutem awa ye obapa ma biem pa nchia papa enye wi sanso na mommy awa ye Pentecost anu se biem eti Jumadion ana edukrom ayi bright chopper musuma biem bright chopper mo biem a muti Jumadion yinchira munya edin no Kelvin Amponsah Addi obetima frame AK nyame pa echina ebesia na afin so no edi nkomo muchum kai
Since the days of Baba